In today's class, we will discuss the topic working machines. Woodworking machines are essential tools for processing wood and preparing it for various applications. These machines are particularly valuable for heavy woodworking operations and mass production, replacing the labor-intensive and time-consuming manual methods employed in the past. Reasons for using woodworking machines. 1. Efficiency. Woodworking machines significantly increase the speed and efficiency of wood processing, making tasks quicker and more precise. 2. Precision. These machines ensure accurate and consistent results, reducing errors and improving the overall quality of woodwork. 3. Productivity. Ideal for mass production, woodworking machines enable the creation of large quantities of wood products in a shorter time frame. 4. Safety. Automated processes enhance safety by minimizing the need for manual handling of heavy materials and reducing the risk of accidents. Manual woodworking tools. 1. Hand saw, a traditional manual tool used for cutting wood by hand, available in various types such as crosscut saws and rip saws. 2. Chisel, a versatile hand tool with a sharp cutting edge, used for carving, shaping, and refining wood surfaces. Woodworking machines. 1. Circular sawing machine. Used for resawing and preparing timber for joinery, furniture, etc. A rip saw and crosscut saw, with additional special purpose saws for specific tasks. 2. Band sawing machine. Equipped with a compensating arrangement for the band saw, allowing the upper pulley to adjust to changes and maintain blade tension. 3. Surface planing machine. Removes marks from sawn timber, ensuring a flat surface. Ideal for laborious planing operations and truing up edges, chamfering, beveling, tapering, and tenoning. 4. Thicknessing machine. Exclusively used for planing wood to a specific thickness after surface planing. Ensures a perfect operation by allowing wood chips to fly out during the process. 5. Drill press. Functions as a versatile woodworking machine, performing operations such as boring, sanding, and mortising. 6. Wood lathe machine. Used for metal and wood turning operations, offering flexibility for various turning methods. Features a sturdy lathe bed and a headstock with multiple speeds for different turning requirements. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.